Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Illustrator with tool for custom typography. To install the Illustrator with tool for custom typography, first, ensure Adobe Illustrator is installed on your computer. Open Adobe Illustrator and navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Extensions. In the Extensions menu, look for the With tool option. If it is not visible, you may need to install it from the Adobe Exchange. Visit the Adobe Exchange website in your preferred web browser. Search for the With tool in the search bar at the top of the page. Locate the appropriate extension for your version of Illustrator. Click on the extension to view more details. Check the compatibility and ensure it works with your installed version of Illustrator. Once confirmed, click the Install button. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the installation process. Return to Adobe Illustrator after the tool has been installed. To access the With tool, again navigate to the window menu. Select Tools and then scroll to find the With tool. Click to select the With tool. You will see a new cursor icon indicating that the tool is active. To use the With tool, select the path or type that you want to modify. Click and drag along the path to adjust the width at various points. Experiment with different shapes and styles to create unique typography. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, you can deselect the path. Finally, save your work to preserve the custom typography you've created. Now you are ready to explore the creative possibilities of the With tool in Adobe Illustrator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.